Hey, guys, Todaylist. Learn how to disable end-to-end encryption on Instagram. So if you guys want to go ahead and disable the end-to-end encryption that you have on your Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to disable this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And then from here, I'd like you to proceed with accessing your profile. So over here on your profiles, let's go ahead and tap on our three lines on the top right corner and see if that is gonna be available for us to access. Over here, let's tap on settings and privacy, and let's go over the how others can interact with you. Now, from here, let's tap on our messages and story replies. Then we have this option called end-to-end encryption. So you could actually see and view some security alerts. And you could also go ahead and tap on this to enable it. But if you want to go ahead and disable your end-to-end encryption, just go ahead and just tap on these to disable it. And it's that easy, guys, to disable your end-to-end encryption. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.